Hello and welcome back to my channel. Some time ago I was given a whole box of these self-adhesive sticker sheets. I think they were originally for computer printouts, but I've had them a while and I've been wondering what I could do with them, and I've decided that I'm going to make my own stickers that I can add to journals and scrapbooks, possibly even cards, one thing or another. So to start off with, I've got myself an ink blending tool and a couple of colours of distress ink, and I've gone for brush corduroy and vintage photo. So I'm going to start with the lighter one first and just lightly work patches all over the paper. Not too worried about it being neat, just get some ink on there to start off with. If you're wondering what this black mat is, it's a Teflon oven bottom mat which you can buy at most of the pound shops. So I've started with the lightest colour, which is the brush corduroy, and I'm going on to the darker one, which is the vintage photo. Again, I'm not really worried about getting a great coverage, it wants to be quite patchy. Going to be using some waterproof permanent ink pads in complementary colours. Now, I've not used these ink pads before, so the colours they come out with, I haven't tried them out, and I'm just going to use these quite heavily on some background stamps, and I'm going to randomly stamp these all over the sheet of stickers. Of course, if you want, you can use distress inks on the backgrounds. Then I'm going to use some States On ink in jet black just to add the occasional word or sentiment. So I've got a bottle of water and I'm just going to put some drips all over the sheet of stickers and allow it to do its thing, because distress inks are quite good for reacting with water, and it just makes some more interesting effects for the background. Of course the StazOn doesn't react, so that shouldn't smudge or run or anything. So I'm just going to leave that to do its thing. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all my future videos. Thanks for watching.